In today's video, we will be preparing belt fish. If you know how it is, then I don't have to talk much. It is so good. That is what is on our bill of fare today. Hello, nice to meet you. My name is Lina and welcome to my kitchen. So if today is the first time here, we do cooking recipes, and if you are interested, please do not forget to follow or subscribe for more videos. It is free. Now, without wasting much of your time, let's get started. I have my belt fish here. It is known as wanya, and this is so good. Okay, so I'm just going to exhibit how I'm going to remove the unnecessary parts on the screen for you to know. Okay, so I'm going to remove that part and also remove whatever thing that is in. For us to do it so easy, I'm just going to cut that part, and then that will be very easy for us to pull it out. Thank you once again for your time, and I do appreciate all my returning subscribers for always watching my videos. I do appreciate it. Thank you so much. So you just go ahead and then pull it out. Okay, just pull it out, and then you are good to go. Thank you once again for your time. Just look at that. It was so simple. So when preparing this fish, you can just go ahead and cut them into smaller pieces and then fry it, but I'm going to fold it as it is normally done in the fancy community. Okay, they like folding it, and you know, the blood is in me. That is just by the way. I'm just going to fold it and then we proceed. So just look at how I'm doing this. They don't have any special way of folding it. It's just a matter of you folding it and then make sure the tail enters the mouth. When making this, be very careful with the teeth. Okay, those teeth are very sharp, so be very careful. That day I was hurt, but the fish itself realized that I really enjoyed it. You know, you do me, I do you. If you hurt me, I will enjoy you very well. That is just by the way. So after you get to this point, you just open the mouth and then put the tail in. If you don't want any problem, just cut it, or just use toothpick and then use it to make it firm. Okay, so this is how I want it, and we are good to go. So beautiful. I'm going to fold the second one for you to get it right if you want it this way. Okay, so just look at me how I'm going to fold the second one. Are you still with me? Have you liked the video? If you haven't, can you do so for me? Have you shared? If you haven't shared it, can you please do so for me? Thank you for doing it, because I know you will do it. I do appreciate your time here, and I don't take it for granted. So you just pull it that way, and then you bring the tail and put it in the mouth. You are good to go. So perfect. I'm reminding you again, be very careful with the teeth. They are very sharp. Thank you. So when I'm done with everything, okay, I'll go ahead and then show you how it looks. So this is how it looks. Okay, yes, this is how it looks, and I'll go ahead and then clean this very well with my lemon juice and then wait for a while. Okay, it was in the lemon juice for some few minutes, like 2 minutes, and then I washed it very well with my water, and I'll go ahead and add some all-purpose seasoning, add my water, and then add some salt, enough salt. It does not mean add a cup of salt, but enough salt. If the salt is not enough, that is not going to taste very good. We are not going to get the taste that we want, because this fish, oh my goodness, it tastes so good. Maybe you haven't tasted it before, but if you see it, buy it. It is so good. Now, whilst we were waiting about 10 minutes for us to fry, I placed my oil on fire. I've added my all-purpose flour. Now the fish is resting. I'll go ahead and start frying. Isn't it simple? So simple. So let's go ahead and fry this. and then we are good to go. I'll just put it in the oil, and then voila, this will be ready very soon. Please do not increase the fire, but let it be on a medium heat. Immediately your fish is ready for you to turn, you will hear the sound. You can see it on the screen, but you can't hear it because I've muted it. Okay, but you can see it on the screen that it is doing that sound. Okay, yes, if it is not ready for you to turn and you turn it, it can scatter, or it may scatter. Okay, so as you can see it on the screen, when we say I'm going to, yes, if you hear that, so after turning it, if you hear that sound again, it means it is ready. But if you don't hear it anymore, it means your fish inside is perfect, like it is dry, so you don't have any moist there that will make the oil to be that is just by the way. Our fish is ready, and we paired this with some banku. Oh my goodness, it was so nice. Thank you once again for watching, and please do not forget to follow or subscribe for more videos. Just look at that, that is very dry, perfectly fried. See you in the next video, and please do not forget to take good care of yourself. Love yourself first. Love yourself first. I love you. See you in the next video. Bye.